The ZONESUN ZS-CDB2 is an integrated carbonated beverage production line designed for small to medium-scale manufacturers, operating at 900 bottles per hour to cool syrup. Mix it with treated water and CO2 at precise ratios, and fill bottles using advanced isobaric technology to reduce foaming and preserve carbonation. Equipped with an air-cooled chiller for stable low-temperature processing, the system produces drinks such as cola, sparkling water, and sparkling wine with smooth, bubble-controlled filling, while its stainless steel construction, safe operation, easy maintenance, and customizable configurations ensure reliable, hygienic, and continuous production of high-quality carbonated beverages.